Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
If you've ever tried to launch a Modpack through CurseForge and been met with that annoying error code 1 message, you're definitely not alone. It's a pretty common hiccup, often signaling a problem with the game's launch or your Modpack files. But good news, this isn't usually a difficult fix, and we can get you back to gaming and having fun in no time. So, what usually causes this specific error? Well, it often boils down to a few key things. An outdated or incorrect Java version is a very common one, as Minecraft and its mods heavily rely on it. Corrupted game files or an incomplete Modpack installation can also easily lead to this problem. Plus, occasionally, your security software might be a bit too enthusiastic and block the launch. Let's start with the simplest solutions first. Often, a full restart of your computer and the CurseForge application itself can clear up temporary glitches. Next, double-check your Java version. Minecraft, especially with mods, needs a specific one, so make sure it's current and correctly installed. Also, briefly check your internet connection, as incomplete downloads sometimes contribute to these kinds of errors. If the basics didn't quite do the trick, it's time for a slightly deeper dive. Clearing the CurseForge cache is a great next step, as it removes any potentially corrupted temporary files that might be causing issues. If the error persists, try completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the specific Modpack that's giving you trouble. In more stubborn cases, a clean reinstallation of the CurseForge launcher itself can often resolve persistent problems. If you're still facing that error code, don't give up just yet. Many online communities, like the CurseForge Discord or various Reddit forums, have specific solutions for unique situations, so it's worth checking them out. You could also try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall just to see if they're blocking anything. Remember, keeping your game, launcher, and all your mods updated is always a good practice, and it often prevents many issues like this one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.